Sir, I want to make it very clear. The Minister for Minority Affairs is misleading this House. I want to put it on record. I want to put it on record. I want to.
After him.
I want to put it on record. My own dissent note. Introductory part, covering letter and conclusion of my dissent note has been redacted. It is there in public domain. It was in website. I picked it up
you
from
can
there.
take recourse to law.
That I'll authenticate it.
Right to me.
Sir, I'll authenticate it. Number
Right
one.
to me, I'll take note of it.
Number one, sir. Number two, sir. In JPC, non-stakeholders were called. Minutes of meetings were not given. Responses of witnesses were not provided. Presentations were not provided. Discussion among JPC members were not done. Key issues like conflict of laws and Supreme Court judges were not dealt with. And key witnesses were not called. And dissent was redacted.
1 minute.
That is why we say this report is not complete. ये report फर्जी है. इसको वापस करना चाहिए. इसको बिल्कुल वापस करना चाहिए.
Saket, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Sir, my limited point here.
Yes,
within
good.
1 minute.
I'm glad. Limited focus point.
Limited, sir. This is not a religious issue. This is a constitutional issue. Now, sir, I would like to request, because the Honorable Minister, Mr. Bhupendra Yadav, read a point of order. And then...
What point of order?
No, I'm coming. It's my president.
The House is in order. Go ahead.
No, so he spoke about redactions in any dissent note that can be done in a JPC. The minister said that dissent notes have been annexed. I would like to ask on the record whether half pages of dissent notes have been redacted, calling them unparliamentary, because that is unconstitutional. Okay. That is censorship, sir.
Fine, good.
So
good
minister
point.
should respond if any redaction has been done in the dissent notes,
fine.
sir.
Okay, General. Now, Honorable Minister, and mind you, it is for the first time in the history of this country that a Buddhist is a minority affairs minister. Am I right?
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
A matter of pride to the entire global community. So,
thank you for
Honorable Minority Affairs Minister, also Parliamentary Affairs Minister, pointed question, reply.
Sir,
he is
first of all,
Buddhist, a global reputation.
Sir,
after.
आपको सर मेरा ये कहना है एक नजीमुल जी
no everyone take 1 second.
अरे जॉन ब्रिटस
John you know I compensate. Take
एक sir
you are one of the very polite members in chamber. Be a polite member here also. Be a polite member here also. He is also a good friend of mine, but agitated today. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Sir,
only Honorable Minister for Minority Affairs.
Normally, जब JPC का रिपोर्ट टेबल होता है, अगर उसमें कोई खामियां हैं, वो इसका रिकॉर्ड्स को भी आपने कहा है कि कुछ अगर मेंबर को रेस करना है तो वो अपने रूल के हिसाब से कर सकते हैं. नॉर्मली JPC रिपोर्ट के समय में चर्चा नहीं होती है. चर्चा का समय बाद में आएगा, उसके लिए मुझे अभी बताने का जरूरत नहीं है. मैंने कैटेगरी के लिए ये बात को बताया कि जब JPC का रिपोर्ट टेबल हुआ तो यहाँ हमारे कुछ सदस्यों ने इसको कुछ ऑब्जेक्शन किया कि कुछ पार्ट शायद काट दिया गया ऐसे करके. मैं बाहर में गया, मैं चेयरमैन साहब से बात किया और सुनो आप सुनो तो ये क्या बात कर आप लोगों ने कहा तो सर अगर सर मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मैंने बाहर में कंफर्म किया, चेयरमैन साहब से भी मैंने अभी भी कंफर्म किया, सेक्रेटरिएट से रूल के मुताबिक JPC रिपोर्ट पूरा का पूरा प्लस एनेक्शियर को भी कोई बिना संशोधन के काटा काटी नहीं करके टेबल किया गया है. ये क्लियर है. उसके बाद भी अगर इन लोगों का कुछ शिकायत है तो ये कोई तरीका नहीं होता है यहाँ में हंगामा करके. आज तो चर्चा का विषय नहीं है सर, आज तो रिपोर्ट को हम लोग को अध्ययन करने का एक जरिया होता है. वो जो सिस्टम ये कैसे कह सकते हैं कि ये काट दिया है, ऑन व्हाट बेसिस?
एविडेंस तो रखी जाती है.
Honorable members,
कहा कि JPC में अच्छा से विटनेस लोगों को सुनवाई नहीं हुआ और कहा गया कि और टाइम देना चाहिए था। मैं आज जिम्मेदारी के साथ कह रहा हूं, ये मेंबर सब सुन रहे हैं, जितना जेपीसी बिल पे काम किया है, आज तो कोई जेपीसी ने उतना काम नहीं किया है। हजारों लोगों को सुना गया है। धन्यवाद देना चाहिए जेपीसी चेयरमैन और पूरा सदस्य।
ओके, नाउ आई टेक क्वेश्चन आवर and I promise John Britas I'll compensate him. Question number 91, Dr. John Britas. Dr. John Britas.
Sir, this is not compensation, sir.
No, yes.
Sir, question number 91.
Honorable Minister.
It on the table of the House.
Question number, sir.
I'll just. Honorable Minister.
Laid on the table of the House.
Supplementary number 1, Dr. John Britas.
Sir, you should compensate while I am formulating the question, sir. Sir, I am literally shocked. Sir, I am literally shocked and taken aback by the answer given by the Honorable Minister. Sir, the Minister has said that the matter regarding the consideration of release of Nimisha Priya is a matter between
I know, sir,
family of the
I know,
deceased
sir, you'll walk out.
and Nimisha Priya's family.
Yes.
Sir, let them walk out, sir. I will ask the question.
Yes, Jairam, yes, you know it. You know it more than I do.
I am asking.
Yes, John Britas. But honorable members.
Sir.
One second. John Britas.
Ram Gopal Yadav ji, this is
Honorable members, what really hurts me is that I made full opportunity available to the opposition to put their stand. Am I right, Bhupender ji? Full opportunities were given to them. And there is no reason for them to walk away from their constitutional obligation. They are not walking out from the house. And the entire nation is worked up with Waqf. Entire nation is looking up to the parliament to find a resolution to this issue. John Britas, supplementary number 1.
Sir, thank you very much, sir.
1 second. Leader of the House. Yield. Yield as per directive.
अभी विपक्ष ने वॉकआउट किया। सभापति जी, मैं कहना चाहता हूं, आज प्रातः से आपने